Hi everyone, so in this video we are going to learn about canvas. This space, you could see that this is the canvas space. This is the entire space, the canvas space, right, where we drag and drop the visuals, and we use our logics to make the visuals or dashboards, right? But we need to understand the canva, so that if required we can do the modification, or we can do the customization based on our requirements, right? So when you click on blank area, like anywhere, if you click, right now there is no visual on this page, on this canva, but anywhere, if you click anywhere on this canva space, so and if I click here, like format your report page, so canva setting options are getting enabled, right? We have got stacked bar chart, and let me put some logic here, this one, and customer id, not customer id, reason. So this visual where we have used some kind of logic, and based on the logic the data is being displayed. Now when I select this canva, this object, and if I click here format your visual, so we are getting different options, right? Visual and general. If I click, then general properties, title and effects. But when we click out of this object here, so we are getting format your page, format your report page. So this is where we do the canva settings, right? So as I told you that if this object is not there, suppose, so this entire space is the canva space, right? So what we are going to do, suppose first information is that page information. Here you could see that page 2, right? It is what is written here, page 2. So if I click here, so page 2 is reflecting. But if I rename it, suppose if I make it canva space, canvas settings, so see, this is updated here. So this is all about page information. Now coming to canvas settings, so you could see that ratio is 16 9. So what is the ratio here is that 16:9. So this is the best suitable ratio, 16:9, and it is recommended to always use. But if you have the requirement to change, like if you want to have 4 to 3, okay, 4 is to 3, so you can make it 4 is to 3. If you want to have later size, you can make a later size. If you want to have tooltip size, you can make tooltip size, okay. And if you want to have your own custom requirement, like you have your own requirement, so you can select the custom one. And once you select the custom one, then you will get height and width, where you will have to put the pixels, height pixels and width pixels. So suppose 1500, and here I'm going to put, okay. So see this, we are getting here scroller, right? We are getting a scroll, so we are getting much space over here. And also if we want, then we can increase more size like this. See this, so here also again scroll, we are getting like left to right, right to left, and here from top to bottom, bottom to top, right? So we are getting more space now, right? If you want to add more visuals, you can add more visuals over here, but always recommended to use 16:9, right? So this gives perfect visual. So this is always recommended to use, but if you have the requirement, you can use it your own requirement. So as of now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to select 16:9, right? And then we have another setting, canvas settings. So this one is done. Then we have top alignment, like top or middle, so you can do it as per your requirement. Then coming to next one, canva background. So here you could see that it is color is white, like by default it is selected. But if you have the requirement to change, suppose I want to have background like this, so see this, on this background you want to make the visuals, so you can make the visuals. And again, if you have some kind of watermark, and you want to apply in background, so you can choose the image, you can choose the image, and you can import it over here. And when you import it, then it will be applied here, okay. So this you can do the modification as per the requirement. Then coming to transparency, so you want to have the transparency, you can put the transparency. Suppose I select in this color and I put it 100% transparency. So what is happening, like still color is reflecting, right? Because it is 93%, so still somehow color is reflecting. And if I make it 100, so there's no color. See this. So you could do the adjustment as per the requirement. Now coming to so Canva background is done. Now coming to wallpaper. So wallpaper is also there, like wallpaper. What is wallpaper? Left side, this area, you could see this area, and here also you could see this area a little bit. So that is called wallpaper. So if I select some other color, so see this, it is applied here. Again, if you have some kind of an image you want to apply over here, so you could import it. You could click here and you could import the file, and it will be added, and the color or something is written on that image, so it will be displayed over here. Again, the transparency is there, so you could choose as per the requirement. Now as of now I have removed the color. Then we have the filter pane. So what filter pane does, like you could see here the filter option is there, right? If I click filter option, so multiple things are there. This is the search box. Then we have the text, add data field here, fields here, add data fields here. So these are the what is called filter pane. So if you want to customize this filter pane, you can customize. So this option is available here. Now how it is, like see this filters, filters word is written over here, but currently it is 12 font. If I make it 16, see this filter, it is font is getting changed, right? So let it be 12. And text and icons color is black and white. But if you want to change the color, like suppose if I select this, so see this, the the text colors are being changed, right? But it does not look good, so let's make it the default one, black and white. Okay, default one, black and white, this one. Now coming to input area. So what is this input area? Like still in input box color. So this is the input box color, and right now it is this is the white one by default selected. But if I select this one, so see this input box color is color background is changed, right? So this is how you can do the customization. This is how you can do the customization. Then we have headers. So what it does, like I make it 15. So see this, all text are changed to 15, right? Filters on this page. So earlier it was 9. See this, earlier it was like this. So you can do the customization as per your requirement. Then we have search box. So search box is 10. Currently it is selected as 10. So if I make it 15, so let's put it back 10. Then we have border. So currently this is the border, right? You can see the line. This line is the border line, right? So like if I choose other color, suppose this one, so see this border line is being changed, right? So let's put the same color which was earlier. This one, I think it was earlier, this one. Now we have background. So what it does, like if I change the color from white to this, so see entire background has been changed, right? Entire background has been changed. Now let's put the white color back. Then similarly we have filter cards option. So you can choose as per the requirement. So like by default it always gives best suitable canvas space. Okay, no need to customize. But if the requirement comes, okay, if the requirement comes to customize, okay, if you want to have letter size, if you want to 4:3 size, or if you want to have your own custom size, so you can make it as per the requirement. Okay. So this is all about Canva settings. Before, if you're excited to learn about Power BI, then I would request you please subscribe this channel and like the video, and let's meet in next video. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.